Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can use imageJ software for cropping the image for applying scale bar and how you can merge the colored image. Before going to the main tutorial, I'm going to show you the internet option from where you can download the imageJ. This is the address bar from where you can download the imageJ. I will give you the address in the description box. And one thing is that you can also use the imageJ without installing from the website. So if you want to use the imageJ from website, just click on run imageJ in the browser. Then it will run from your browser. This may take some time. Now the image is ready for use from the browser, but one drawback is that the plugins are difficult to correlate with this online browser. That means the browser version is quite difficult for using the plugins. So I'm going to use the portable version of imageJ. So to use the portable version of imageJ, you have to download the imageJ. If you click on the download, they will show different types of operating system. I'm using the Windows, so I'm going to click this one. After clicking this one, it will be downloaded in here. So you can see that it is downloaded in here. This is the imageJ software. After extracting it, it gives you this type of extracted files, and from these files you have to click on this imageJ. After clicking this imageJ, it will open, and before using this one, we will require a plugin. The name of this plugin is bioformats package. So bioformat packages are available from the plugin site, and this is the site from where you can download the bioformat package. And this is the bioformat package downloading site. I will give you the address in the description box. From this web address, you have to download this bioformat package. Okay, after downloading this bioformat package, you have to copy the bioformat package in the image extract. After downloading the bioformat package, you have to copy the bioformat package and paste this in the plugin folder. In the plugin folder, you have to paste the bioformat package. Okay. After accomplishing this one, the image is ready for applying. So this is my image. It is now ready for application. Now, let me show you the image that I am going to analyze. First, you have to open the imageJ and drag the main file. Drag the main file into the imageJ software. Now a dialog box will open and you have to click on split channels. Then hit the OK button and it will give you the splitted channels. These are the splitted images of the channels. So I have selected a portion, and the portion must be square in size. So I am going to copy the source information so that all the images that I cut ensures the same ratio. To ensure that, go to the edit, go to the selection, click on specify. Now you can see the width, height, and x coordinate, y coordinate value. I am going to change this into 230. and this also 230. So, and the x coordinate and y coordinate value is specific for this region, so I am not going to change this one. And I have to remember this coordinate value so that while I am cropping the images for other colors, the same ratio is maintained. So I'm copying the information. Now click on OK. So after specifying the region, now I'm going to apply image stock. So if I crop this one, then I have to crop individually. So I'm going to apply the image stock. So go to the image, select stock, and image to stock. Select the image to stock. Then this window will appear. Then you have to ensure the two tick marks. Use titles as tables. Keep source image. I am going to change the title. Now click on OK. Now you can see a new window is opened, and here you will find the 4 images. 3, 4. 4 images in the same plate, and you do not have to bother about cutting the individual images. So I'm going to select a region and specify the region by clicking on edit. Go to the selection, choose specify, and you should remember the number 230, and the upper portion was 502 and y coordinate was 702. So the specific region has been selected. Now click on OK. Now you have to cut the image. For cut the system, you have to crop the system, and you have to click on Control Shift and X. Control Shift X. Okay, Control Shift X. Now the 4 image has been cut into pieces. These are the images. So if you want to copy this image, you have to go into the edit option, select copy to system, and paste this image here. This is the first image. Then again go to the stock image, scroll to the second one, to edit, copy to image, copy to the system, just paste. This is the second image, and in this way you have to copy all the 4 images. Edit, copy to system, yes, edit, copy to system, and paste. Finally, the final one, edit, copy to system, and paste. So all the four parts of the image has been copied. Okay, and you have to remember the individual channel name. This is the C3, it's the gray. This is C2, this is red. This is C1, C1 is green, and this is C0. C0 is blue. Remember this path, it will be required for us. Now I'm going to apply scale bar in this image. To apply the scale bar, go to the analyze, then select the tool. From the tool, select the scale bar, and If you do not check on the hide text bar, then it will appear in the just below the bar. I am going to hide this one, and the width should be 5 micrometer, and the height should be 5 micrometer. Thickness, pixel, everything is okay. Now click on OK. The scale bar has been applied, but I only need scale bar for this image. So I am going to copy this one to the system because I do not need the other one's scale bar. So this is the image with the scale bar. In this way, you can apply the scale bar. Now I'm going to merge the color images. So to merge the image, you have to go to the image and choose the color, and then you have to choose the merge channel. And as I have told you that in this case, the green uh, green is c is equal to 1, red is c is equal to 2, and yes, before that I am showing you again. This is the blue, that is c is equal to 0, c is equal to 1 is green, and c is equal to 2 is red, and c is equal to 3 is gray. So we have to merge the color first. I'm going to merge the color green and red. So the red channel is c is equal to 2 red, and green is c is equal to 1. So then you have to click on create composite and click on keep source image. Just click on OK. And this is the merge color of green and red. Green and red. Okay. So green was 1 and red was 2. Now I'm going to merge the green and blue. So green is 1 and blue is 0. 1 and 0. Image, color, merge channel. Green is 1 and blue is 0. Just click on OK. This is the green and blue merged color. Now I'm going to merge the blue and red. So blue and red. Blue is 0 and red is 2. Merge channel. Red is 2 and blue is 0. Okay. This is the merged color of blue and red. And so finally I'm going to merge 3 color, red, blue and green. So this 3 color will be red is 2, green is 1, blue is 0. Click on OK. This is the merged 3 color merged image, and the final will be the 4 color image. So red is 2, green is 1, blue is 0, and gray is 3. Click on OK, and this is the merged color for 4 colors in single image. And now I'm going to split them. That means I'm going to crop them the same way as I have just cropped the other ones. So first I'm going to crop this one. This contains green and red. So just randomly select an area, put the image, edit and selection, then specify 230, 230, 502, and 702. So this is the specific area. Okay. And I have to click on Control Shift X. This has been cut. So in this way, you can use the imageJ software for cutting, for cropping, and merging the image. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Have a nice day.